Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you this tool I got, handy tool. If you've ever tried to replace the end of a throttle cable on a lawnmower, I'm trying to remember where I put the one I just cut off. But anyways, they have a little Z-bend in them, I guess is the best description. It's the end of the cable jogs so that you can slip it in to there and it'll stick inside and then you can anchor it down. But what happens is these cables break or get frayed or something and you have to replace them and they're expensive. So if you get these universal throttle cable assemblies, they come as one length. You can cut them short and then you can just put your own Z-bend on the bottom. So what we've got here is a set of Z-bend pliers, and what you do is you put the end of the cable inside like that, and then you crimp it like that. And if you do it in the right direction, you'll end up with the perfect little Z-bend, which sticks back into your throttle plate, and you can anchor it down. And that way you can replace these expensive OEM cables with cheap aftermarket ones. Cost a couple dollars instead of 30 or 40 or 60, and make this thing run for another 5 years, no problem. Just thought I'd show you that. They're called Z-bend pliers, and you can pick a set up off Amazon. I think they're probably about $30 or so. They pay for themselves in the first 1 or 2 times you use them. Thanks for watching.